Hello guys, and welcome back to another video here today at the Startup Brain TV, the platform to help you buzz up and create more wealth for yourself. So if you're new to my channel is all about business, entrepreneurship, and making money online. So if you're interested in all that type of content, be sure to hit that red subscribe button down below this video so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. Also remember to click on that bell notification button because that's the only way you will be alerted every time I release a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 5 creative ways to make money on the side. So if you're someone out there who's perhaps working full-time, part-time, perhaps you already run your own business and you're looking for some side hustle ideas to get you started with, then this video is for you. So you better grab yourself a pen and paper, stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Welcome to the Startup Brain TV, where you can learn how to start and run a successful online business working from home or anywhere in the world, so you can finally live the life of freedom and fulfillment that you truly deserve. Now, if you're watching this video right now, then there's a high possibility that you're someone out there who's working either full-time or part-time, or perhaps you already run your business and you're looking for additional ways to make money or additional side hustles that can actually make you money. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 5 of my realistic side hustles that I've personally tried myself and that are guaranteed to make you money if implemented right, of course. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that you're going to be rich if you implement the strategies, but with consistency and determination and of course taking action, you're likely to make yourself some extra money on the side, which could subsequently become a full-time hustle for you as well. Okay, so the first side hustle idea I've got for you guys today is to start a t-shirt or merch line. Why? Because t-shirts are basic necessities that we all wear. Everyone and their grandma and their mother and their father and their sister and their brother and their cats and their dogs own some sort of t-shirt. Look around your closet, I'm sure you have a t-shirt, right? So what does that say about the t-shirt industry? It's a booming one. People are always going to need t-shirts. T-shirts are a basic everyday necessity that we need to wear, okay? So starting your own t-shirt or merch line is a great creative side hustle that can really make you money. And the good thing about starting a t-shirt line is, unlike back in the days where you had to find a manufacturing company to manufacture you millions of t-shirts in bulk, and then for you to go out there to try and resell the t-shirts to people without the guarantee that these products are going to sell, essentially losing out money in stock. The good news is times have changed, and there's actually a way you can make money selling t-shirts or merch online without having to purchase a single piece of inventory. And if you've been watching my videos already, you will know I talk a lot about drop shipping. There's a lot of drop shipping t-shirt companies out there that allow you to create mock-ups. So you're basically creating a design of the type of t-shirt that you want to sell on their website. You don't have to buy these t-shirts if you don't want to, but I usually recommend you at least have some samples to try on and maybe give out to your friends and family so they can help you with promoting your brand. And then once a customer buys from you, you then pass their order over to the dropshipping or merch company. They process, package and ship the orders directly to your customers, okay, and you keep the profit. So the merch companies, we usually have a cost price. Say for example, for a t-shirt is around $7-8. You can resell that t-shirt for, let's say, $20 for example. So when a customer comes to your website, they purchase that t-shirt, they pay you $20, you go to the dropshippers company or the t-shirt company and you only pay them their cost price of £7 or $7 to pretty much fulfill that order on your behalf and send it directly to your customer, whilst you keep your £12 or your $12 profit. So you don't have to lift a single finger and you don't have to risk your money purchasing lots and lots of t-shirts in bulk, okay? You can come up with so many great designs. I recently started my own t-shirt or merch line called I'm the CEO of Me. I actually created another previous video where I showed you guys what the t-shirt looked like. It was just a random mock-up. I just wanted to see what it looks like. I'm currently working with graphic designers to help me create better mock-ups. Now, the platform I used for my t-shirt is called Printful. Printful is an amazing dropshipping platform that you can use to print out t-shirts, hats, jumpers, mugs, literally any type of accessory out there that you want your design on it. So what I pretty much did was I went out there and I came up with some text ideas that I wanted to slap onto my t-shirt. So I came up with some ideas, I put some text on the website, I just went through their website and literally created the t-shirt there myself. So I never went through any sort of graphic design processes, which is something I'm actually working on right now. I'm looking into graphic designers to help me with better mock-up ideas, so I can take my t-shirt line to the next level. So you can pretty much start with anything. It could just be a piece of text. Think about what type of niche you want to look into. Think about, you know, look around you. What type of products do you feel people around you love? If you already have a brand, for example, a platform, you know, you can think about who you can think about your audience or who your ideal audience are likely to be. Then start coming up with some ideas and look into actually starting a t-shirt or merch line. Okay, there's so much you can do with t-shirts. There's so many designs and text you can put onto a t-shirt and make you a lot of money. So check out Printful if you're interested in getting started with dropshipping t-shirts, and they fulfill all your orders for you on your behalf. Okay, of course you can support me by following the link below my video, because if you essentially go ahead to purchase any mock-ups or create any designs, Printful pays me a commission. So support your girl, guys. And if you're someone out there thinking about starting a t-shirt company and you're not sure how to get started, I'm also going to have another link to a platform that teaches you step by step how to get started with your t-shirt line. Another side hustle you can look into is to sell printables on Etsy. Who would have thought that some random piece of art or text could actually make you money? If you head over to Etsy right now and search for printables, there's a lot of sellers out there making so much money selling pretty much text. Okay, so you can actually write something like "I'm a girl boss," then edit the font of that text and sell it to people on Etsy as a printable, and people are making a lot of money for pretty much selling text. So you can have things like quotes, inspirational messages, or you can have like random art. I actually saw this art photo. I can draw that. It's literally like a U and a dot. That art image is selling, but there's so many reviews on that product, which indicates that a lot of people are purchasing this product, something I believe I can actually do myself, but people are actually paying a lot of money for this, and I'm like, what's going on? So there you go. If you've got a computer, if you can draw, you know, if you're a creative type person and you can draw, you can think of some cool ideas on things to come up with, or you can write some inspirational text and pretty much format your text and sell that download on Etsy. So when people buy the product, they can actually just download it in a PDF copy and print it out themselves. Then essentially go ahead to frame it and put it on their living rooms, bedrooms, or wherever they want to keep it at home for decoration. So selling printables on Etsy is another great creative side hustle you can look into that comes with pretty much no investment. You already have a computer, you have a Word document, you can use platforms like Canva, which is free. It's got amazing templates that you can look into. You can also check into PicMonkey as well. Create yourself some templates and themes, come up with some inspirational quotes, just work on your formatting, work on the text type, work on the type of fonts that you use for your text, and basically sell them on Etsy, okay, as a download. So people can actually purchase these products and download them instantly, thereby making you money. Another great creative idea you could look into to make money on the side, this one is actually perfect for those of you who love photography or videography, is to sell your pictures or videos. Yep, you can actually use your camera to take amazing high quality images of pretty much anything, okay, and then sell them in platforms such as Shutterstock and make some money. Shutterstock is actually an image and video type platform where people go there to buy high resolution and high quality images to use for their websites, their blogs, marketing, their banners, and pretty much anything online. So you can go out there, take some amazing pictures out there and submit those images or videos to Shutterstock. Someone goes on their website and purchases your product. It could be your photos or your videos. They then pay you a commission per sale. So you could take literally one nice, good quality image, edit that image, you know, make it look nice and captivating, submit that image to Shutterstock, and anytime someone buys that product, you make yourself a commission. And this is a recurring passive income stream as well, because you only have to take that picture one time or create that video one time, and then you have people constantly downloading and purchasing those images indefinitely, okay? So if you're into photography, for example, you're a photographer and you're looking for an extra way to make money on the side, then you should start looking into selling your images or videos online to make you some money on the side. If you're not good at photography and you love the idea of selling good high quality images online, there's a photography masterclass that is actually amazing to help you get started with taking high quality, high resolution photos. I'll leave a link below to the platform. Another creative idea you can look into that can generate you a lot of money on the side is to make wigs and sell. I'm not talking about synthetic wigs that people use for fancy dress parties or Halloween. I'm talking about premium human hair quality wigs that people can realistically wear every single day. If you're interested in anything hair, if you're a hairdresser, for example, or you currently run a hair salon, or you just have a passion for hair, or maybe you sell hair extensions online already, you can look into topping it up a notch by making wigs for people. When you buy a lot of wigs out there, a lot of them are either too small, the cap size is either too small or too big, the hair comes either too full or too thin. So it's usually very difficult to get a wig that suits your head shape, your exact head shape and size, or that looks the exact way that you want. Whereas if you're hand making these wigs for people, they can actually tell you what they want. They can tell you what colors they want, what their cap sizes are, head sizes, so you can get the right cap size to fit them, get the right measurements. Either hand make the wigs yourself, or you can use a sewing machine to sew on the wigs and then send it out to your customers. Grab yourself some bundles and start selling yourself some wigs, or you can actually get your customers to send you the hair themselves, so you don't have to worry about, you know, purchasing any hair extensions yourself. Just get them to send you their hair bundles and their closures or frontals, and you can make their wigs for them to suit their needs. And the good thing about making custom wigs is you can do things like tinting the lace, you can do things like coloring the wig as well. If they want a red color or a blue color, some people want to have pink hair, some people love to mix lengths, so they can have a 10, 12, 14, 16 inch, whereas with a lot of wigs that you buy, it comes in one length. So people love versatility, so essentially that's where you're coming. So if you're into hair, or you love the idea of making hair for people, you should definitely look into making and selling wigs as well. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to make a wig. Just go and search how to make a wig. You're gonna find a lot of YouTube tutorials that go very in-depth and teach you step by step how you can start making your own handmade wigs. Okay, so go look into that. And you can also look into working with alopecia patients as well, people who have hair loss problems. Look into institutions that cater for these people and see how you can network with them to make wigs for these patients. Wigs are not only used for protective styling, but it's also worn by people who have, you know, alopecia, who have cancer, and, you know, you name the rest. So you can also look into making wigs, partnering with these organizations that cater for these people, and essentially make yourself wigs for these people and make yourself some money. So making wigs is another creative side hustle for those of you out there who have a passion for selling hair. Okay, of course, another great creative side hustle you can look into is, my favorite, is to self-publish a book. Gone are the days where you had to go through a publishing company, where you had to wait in the queue for your book to be approved in order to be published. Now you can actually self-publish your own book thanks to platforms such as Amazon KDP. All you have to do is come up with some ideas, come up with the table of content on what you want your book to look like. And if you're not good at writing, again, you can pay people to do this for you. Check out ghostwriters on Fiverr.com who can basically write your book for you. And it's actually they can actually help you with things like writing your book, proofreading your book, editing your book, helping you with things like your book covers. And all you have to do is put that book for sale on Amazon, and every time someone buys the book, Amazon deals with the fulfillment and shipping of that book directly to the customer, so you never have to lift a single finger. Okay, so self-publishing your books on Amazon, of course, is a great way to make extra money on the side. It's not gonna make you a lot of money. I'm not gonna lie, selling books is not gonna make you that much money because it's a volume-based business. So you're gonna have to sell a lot of different books in order to make a scalable profit on Amazon. I currently sell 2 books on Amazon, which currently generate me roughly $300 a month, which is great for just selling books and for not lifting a finger, really, because I have those books already listed on Amazon, and every time someone purchases, Amazon deal with the fulfillment. So you don't have to lift a single finger, and it's a great way to make money passively on the side as well, because once you have that book published and upload that to Amazon KDP, you don't have to do anything else. Of course, marketing your books as the best way you can. So I do a lot of marketing for my books as well on the side. Occasionally, not a lot. I think I should be doing more of marketing for my books because I don't do a lot of it. But once you have that book on Amazon, you don't have to do anything else apart from promote your book. You don't have to deal with inventory, you don't have to buy in bulk. Amazon deals with the fulfillment of your books. You send it out to your customers and you sit back and make your profits. Okay, so Amazon KDP is another creative side hustle you can look into. If you love the idea of writing books or publishing books, look into Amazon KDP. You don't have to even write the book yourself if you're not good at writing. If you have an idea, you can speak to ghostwriters to help you with that process. Okay, now if you love the idea of publishing books on Amazon KDP, there's going to be a link below this video to an amazing course that can teach you more in depth how to write and self-publish your own books on Amazon KDP. So these are my 5 top creative ways that can generate you money on the side. So thank you once again for watching this video on my 5 creative side hustles that can make you money right now. I hope you found this video useful. Let me know down below what your favorite side hustle idea was, and of course, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button down below and click on the bell notification button so you don't miss out on my video next week. I release videos on a Tuesday and a Thursday, so if you're interested in making money online, then be sure to subscribe below so you don't miss out on my videos when they do come out. Of course, if you want to start your own online business working from home, do feel free to check out the Income Reap Academy, which comes with so many different courses that teach you step by step how you can actually make money online. And I look forward to catching up with you guys next Tuesday for another Make Money Online video. Bye for now.